Welcome to Hat Tricks. Pimples affect teens and adults alike. We all get them. In fact, even babies can get pimples with a case of baby acne. Any esthetician will tell you that you're not supposed to pop or squeeze a pimple, it will only make it worse. Here are the best tips on how to pop a pimple without leaving a scar. Before we start, please like this video, and subscribe for more healthy tips. 1. Only pimples with whiteheads can be popped. The rest are not to be bothered as they can cause scarring. Popping any different kind of pimples can prompt scarring and contamination. So do not touch the other pimples. 2. Make sure your hands and nails are clean, otherwise, all the dirt and bacteria will transfer onto your skin and it could make the breakout worse. If you want to get free Amazing Samples kit of beauty products, check out the link in the comments, or in the description of this video. 3. Using a cotton ball or cotton pad soaked with alcohol, clean the area around the pimple. Disinfect the skin in a 2-inch diameter around the pimple. 4. Your hands have to be covered with disposable gloves. If disposable gloves are not available, you can use clean tissue papers. 5. Don't apply too much pressure and do not use your nails. Instead, wrap your fingers in some clean tissue, and apply a small amount of pressure. If it doesn't pop when you apply minimal pressure, just leave it alone. 6. It's best to pop your pimple as part of your nighttime routine, as your skin will be able to breathe and repair overnight. Once you've popped your pimple, cleanse the area again and then follow with your usual nighttime routine. Don't forget. If you want to get free Amazing Samples kit of beauty products, check out the link in the comments, or in the description of this video. Please like this video if you found it helpful, and be sure to subscribe for more healthy tips. Thanks for watching, see you next time.